Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Jio Phone is powered and registered on the network. This ensures settings save correctly. Once done, press the center key to open the phone app and navigate to Recent or Call Log. You need to locate the exact entry for the caller you want to block. Use the up/down keys to highlight it. This first actionable step gets you straight into the number's context, so you can apply the block from the device itself. Now that the number is selected, press the Options key to open the Action menu. This is where blocking controls live. Choose Block Number or Add to Blacklist, and then confirm with OK. This tells the phone to reject future calls and SMS from that entry. If your Jio Phone firmware lacks a direct block item, create a new contact for the number and open its settings to enable block. This is a reliable workaround because contact-level blocks are supported across updates. Finish by verifying the action. Open phone settings and view the blocked list or blacklist to confirm the number appears there. Make sure to restart the device if the block seems ineffective. A reboot forces the settings to reload. If calls or messages still get through, update the Jio Phone software and recheck. Sometimes carrier-side filters or account-level blocks are necessary, so contact Jio support for further action. This covers the final step and one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.